Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best monitors for home working that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the SANSUI 24-inch IPS monitor, which is a dependable option for those who prioritize eye care and ergonomic design for long working hours. With its 1080p Full HD resolution, it delivers sharp visuals that are perfect for general office tasks, web browsing, and even light gaming. Its 178-degree viewing angle ensures consistent colors no matter where you're positioned, making it ideal for collaborative work. The monitor's frameless design adds a sleek and modern touch to your setup, while the VESA compatibility allows for flexible mounting options. Additionally, it offers FreeSync technology and refresh rates of up to 100 Hz for smoother performance in casual gaming or video playback. The build quality is sturdy, with a stable stand that tilts between -5 degrees and 22 degrees, giving you ergonomic flexibility to adjust the screen angle to your liking. However, it lacks built-in speakers and a headphone jack, which might be a drawback for users who rely on integrated audio solutions. The monitor is lightweight, yet durable, and the matte screen surface reduces glare effectively in well-lit environments. Overall, the SANSUI monitor provides solid performance for its category and is backed by great customer support, including a 30-day money-back guarantee and lifetime technical assistance. While it may not be the most advanced in terms of refresh rates or gaming features, it's a solid choice for home working setups that prioritize reliability and affordability. Pros include its eye care features and frameless design, while cons are the absence of speakers and audio ports. At rank number 3, we have the Acer KB272 G0bi, a versatile 27-inch IPS monitor that delivers excellent performance for both work and play. With Full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, 99% sRGB color accuracy, and adaptive sync support, this monitor ensures vibrant visuals and smooth motion for gaming, video playback, and professional tasks. The standout feature here is the 120 Hz refresh rate and ultra-fast 1 millisecond response time, which make this monitor ideal for fast-paced games and dynamic content creation. Its ergonomic tilt design, -5 to 25 degrees, adds comfort and flexibility, while VESA compatibility allows for easy mounting. The Acer KB272 G0bi is built to last, featuring a sturdy yet lightweight frame that blends seamlessly into modern setups. The inclusion of both HDMI and VGA ports ensures connectivity with a wide range of devices. And the bundled HDMI cable is a nice touch for convenience. While the 250 nits brightness may not be as high as premium monitors, it's sufficient for indoor use. The monitor's fast response time and high refresh rate make it suitable for gamers on a budget, while its color accuracy and wide viewing angles appeal to professionals working on creative projects. Overall, the Acer KB272 G0bi strikes a balance between price and performance, offering exceptional value for its features. Pros include its high refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and excellent color reproduction, while cons are its lower brightness and lack of built-in speakers. If you're looking for a monitor that can handle both work and casual gaming, this Acer model is a solid choice. At rank number 2, we have the Sceptre 24-inch LED monitor, which earns its place as the best budget-friendly option on our list. Despite its low price point, this monitor punches above its weight with a 1080p Full HD resolution and 99% sRGB color gamut, delivering vibrant visuals for work and entertainment. It comes equipped with 2 HDMI ports and a VGA port, supporting a refresh rate of up to 75 Hz for smoother motion. The built-in speakers provide robust audio output, making it convenient for users who prefer an all-in-one solution without external speakers. Additionally, its blue light shift technology helps reduce eye strain, enabling longer working hours. The design of this monitor is sleek and lightweight, weighing just under 6 pounds, making it easy to reposition or mount using its VESA compatibility. The machine black finish gives it a professional look that fits seamlessly into any home office. While the speakers are functional, audiophiles may find them lacking in depth and clarity for music or cinematic experiences. However, the monitor's fast response time and custom FPS RTS game modes make it suitable for casual gamers on a budget. If you're looking for an affordable monitor that gets the job done for daily tasks, light gaming, and multimedia consumption, the Sceptre 24-inch is a fantastic choice. Pros include its excellent value for money, vibrant color reproduction, and built-in speakers, while cons are its lower refresh rate and basic audio performance. It's the perfect pick for those who want quality without breaking the bank. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Samsung 27-inch Essential S3 monitor, the premium option on our list and the best overall kick for home working. Its standout feature is the 1800R curved design, which creates an immersive viewing experience and minimizes peripheral distractions, ideal for multitasking, gaming, and creative projects. With full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution, a 100 Hz refresh rate, and TÜV-certified advanced eye comfort technology, this monitor excels in both performance and user comfort. Whether you're working long hours or enjoying fast-paced games, the reduced motion blur and minimized blue light ensure a strain-free experience. The Samsung Essential S3 is built with elegance and durability in mind, featuring a sleek black finish and a sturdy stand. Its gain mode optimizes color and contrast for a more vivid gaming experience, while its versatile connectivity options, HDMI and D-sub ports, make it easy to integrate into any setup. At 27 inches, the screen size is perfect for multitasking or diving into immersive content, although its curved design may take some time to adjust to for users new to curved screens. While it's the most expensive monitor on this list, the Samsung Essential S3 delivers on its promise of premium quality and features, making it worth every penny. Pros include its immersive curved design, excellent refresh rate, and advanced eye comfort features, while cons are its higher price point and slight learning curve with the curved screen. If you're looking for a top-tier monitor that combines style, functionality, and comfort, this Samsung model is an unbeatable choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.